Consider how your confidence level will grow if you realize that your guardian angel is by your right side, your left side, as you wake, as you walk, as you win, as you wine, as you dine. What difference would it make if you recognize that Archangel Michael, for instance, is doing your battle? Would it boost your determination if you realize that Archangel Raphael is pouring spiritual ointment on the places where you are hurting? How about Archangel Gabriel bringing the good news of joy and hope for you? You have the best of the angels at your side. You do not need to fear. God love you. God bless you.